What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kasey Freeman, and this is a place for serial entrepreneurs to come, hang out, have fun, learn new ways to scale their business, continue to grow as a person, and eventually start incorporating some travel because your finances are popping and now you can afford to do so. So today's video is more of a realtor video, and a lot of people like my what's in my bag videos for some reason. And I do have another bag. It's actually a backpack now. So that's what actually sparked the motivation to do this video, which is a what's on my phone video. But I'm not going to do another what's in my bag video because what's in my bag is still the same. The bag just has changed. So I'm not going to do that right now. Now, if something changes in my routine of what's in my bag, then of course I'll bring that to you for sure, but right now it's still the same. So let's get right into the phone. So I think this is the either iPhone 11 or the 12. Which one is this? Y'all let me know. I don't know, but it's not the brand newest phone, but it's the one right before it, I think. But I have this case and I love this case. It says stop and smell the rosé. And I love it. And it's the green phone. So I'm going to go ahead and just screen record for us. So yeah, this is, I'm going to scoot over. So I'm going to put everything here of actually like what's on my phone. So this is actually what pops up first. It's just a blank screen because I get PTSD when I see things like that on my phone. So I just like to start off with the blank screen because it just makes me feel better. But along the bottom row here is my phone, Instagram, and then text messages. And those are the apps that I use the most. So that's why I just keep them right there. Now I have all my little blocks. I have 2 pages and then a blank page. So I keep a to-do list here actually, and usually it's like full with stuff that I need to do each day. So every night I will lay in bed actually, and I will make my to-do list for the next day. So then as I cross them out, I'll have them on my phone to cross them out like as I do them. So that's usually the plan. Then I have productivity, and that includes like my GPS, FaceTime, weather, like my calendar, random stuff like that. And then I have photography, which I probably should reorganize this, but because I have like Facetune over here that I actually use more with like photography, but I know where everything is and that's what matters. And then I have a secondary productivity, which is my email, my reminders. My printer is actually on my phone, so I can print directly from my phone to my printer here at my home office. And then Cam card, I think that I've talked to you about that in another video. But it's so that I can take pictures of someone else's card and put it into my phone, into my contacts, and then give them the card back so I don't have to keep it, throw it away, lose it, stuff like that. So I just take a picture of it immediately. Then for music, I just have my music, and I have Apple Music, and I have my podcast, and the podcast that I love to listen to, other than Authentically Natural podcast, because obviously I love to listen to my own podcast with my best friend Jasmine. But I also love to listen to the iNews Crew podcast, which is another podcast I host. But also, I love to listen to, you know, obviously church stuff, but Side Hustle Pro is a good one. And then here's me and Jasmine, which I don't know why that's popping up like that, but Blessed and Bossed Up is a good one, and Girl CEO podcast is another good one. And I really love those podcasts and listen to them all the time. So with social media, I have, of course, my Facebook, my YouTube studio, my YouTube studios for YouTubers. So, and then I have TikTok. I really don't ever like use it for my own personal, but I feel like I should because there are other realtors who are using TikTok, but they don't really like educate on TikTok. It's just like fun, and I really don't have time for that. So I post like motivational stuff on my TikTok, but whatever. I don't know why I still have GroupMe on here because I never open it. WhatsApp is for like a lot of people who use WhatsApp over anything else. So I just have it just for those random people to use. I have a Canon camera, and so I have the app here, and I can use that for Bluetooth like recording. So if ever like I'm taking pictures by myself or something like that, I showed you guys in my photo shoot video, I just go on this app and take pictures off of my phone. I have Messenger, obviously, in Clubhouse. Then for my real estate folder, which is more than likely what you guys are here for, I have 2 slides as well. I have Open Door because we started having more like Open Door listings, and you have to have the Open Door app to get into the listing. Or you call the people and they send you a text code, but I try to keep the app on my phone just in case. And then I have Genius Scan for scanning documents. Showing time is like when you schedule a showing, and I have a showing later on today. So here we go. This is what it looks like, and it gives me the combination for this address and everything I need to know. And then I have my Zillow Premier Agent app. I don't have the Zillow app that like a regular buyer would have, simply because I have my own personal app that I can share listings with, and so I don't really like to use that one. So my Zillow app, so if you call on Zillow and you want to speak to an agent, more than likely if you're in my zip codes, then you're speaking to me or someone else on the team that I'm up under. But then I also have SentryKey, and that's how you get into each property. You have to keep the lockbox look like this one, and it's Bluetoothed in, and so you can just use your phone to get into the lockbox, or you use a combination, or you can use a card, which I never keep my card updated, so there's that. And then my app serves as like Zillow, but I don't know why my picture, okay, yeah, there's my picture and stuff, and usually that pops up right there, but I can easily just send someone this app on the phone or in email or text message or something like that, and then therefore they can download my app, and then they can communicate with me directly through my app. So I keep that on my phone just in case. I have Airbnb for some reason. Realtors is what we use to like look up the listings or homes, something like that. Bond Mortgage is the mortgage company, my preferred lender's mortgage company. And in this app, I really keep it downloaded. I don't actually work with Kathleen, but I really keep it downloaded for the calculator, because a lot of people want to know like what they're going to be paying. So I don't tell them like, hey, this is roughly what you're going to make. Like I just say, here, download this calculator. And it can kind of get you close, because obviously like it's not going to be exact. It's a calculator, and you're not entering every exact dollar amount that you will have on here. So, but it can get you in the ballpark, and a lot of my customers and clients really like it. So, and then I have Dot Loop, which is what we use for our templates and our documents and signings like that. So I can just easily go in here. It's similar to DocuSign too. Like I can go in here and just say, hey, have Kasey sign this, and then it'll go directly to Kasey from my phone. And then Stride is my mile calculator. And then QuickBooks is, of course, self-explanatory. Under extras, I use Canva. I probably should put this under photography too, or like social media, but I use Canva all the time. This Wear OS is my watch. I don't even shop Fabletics, but Duncan, I gotta get my points. Gotta stay safe with the Storm Shield, but I do use the YMCA app all the time to look up what fitness classes I'm taking, things like that. So yeah. And then under technology, I have my devices, and I have a Ring camera, and then Smart Things is my TV. I think I should check on that, but yeah. So then my business stuff has Squarespace on it, Shopify for my Live Case Boutique, and Southwest for some reason. But then shopping, I have my MAPCO points. I gotta get my points. I stay signed in, and I get my gas discounts on here as well. And then I shop at H&M, so I gotta use my points to get my H&M stuff. So there's that. Apple TV, I need to remember, I'm keeping that on there strictly to remember to delete it, because when I upgraded my internet or upgraded my TV or something like that, they gave me Apple TV for free, and I don't even like it because you have to you have to pay for everything on the Apple TV, and so I'm like, this is a waste of my time. So then on my second page, I have a quick glimpse of what my calendar looks like for the next couple of days. My settings, utilities, Find My Friends. I do use Find My Friends often when my friends want to ghost me. And then I have my Bible stuff here. I have my Bible app, and then I attend Mount Zion Baptist Church, so I have their app on here as well, and I can go back and listen to sermons on that. And then under finances, I have my Cash App, my banks that I use, and anywhere that I pay bills or something like that, I keep that app on here as well. So that's actually it. So it just helps. Like, I literally, if I didn't have my phone, I feel like I would be lost, because I can do so much work from my phone, and I love it because it just makes life more simple, and it just helps me keep everything in one spot, so I don't have to carry around either my iPad or my computer everywhere I go. So that's basically what's on my phone. Hopefully, if you are a realtor, then some of these things help you. If you're not a realtor, then hopefully some of these things help you as well. I should actually go back through and probably clean out my little boxes, but I'm just so used to knowing where they are now till it just really makes no sense. So thank you guys for watching another video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and then share this with your realtor friends, because I would love to connect with more realtors on this platform, and that would be awesome. So I'll see you in the next video.